welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to me trying to do Vlogtober. Today I am going to be unboxing a new phone. Yeah, I'm going to be unboxing a new phone. If you've been on my channel for a while, you know that I have been doing quite a few unboxings, and I did not expect to do so many unboxings, but life comes at you fast. So sometimes you just gotta go with the flow. I'm just gonna jump right into it. This phone right here is the Xiaomi 11. It is a phone that is made in China. Aren't most phones made in China? I think so, but it's a popular brand here. Xiaomi, Huawei, Oppo, those are the ones I've been seeing all over the place. I almost got a Huawei, but those are banned in America. I don't know if these are banned in America, but I need it for here, so I'm just going to use it for here, and then we'll cross that bridge when we get to it. This phone was pretty reasonable. It was around 250 to 270 US. So I can take that. I can deal with that. I can deal with that. So let's just jump right in, shall we? When I bought this phone, the person at the store was going to open it for me, and I was like, no. He had the thing ready. He's like, I said, oh, I'll do it myself. So here we are, doing it ourselves. First the plastic wrap. I like the design here of the like luminescent 11 and the luminescent Mi of Xiaomi. Let's see, there we go. So let's open this baby up. Let me put my little cute flowers to the side. You would hope that it comes right off, but it never does. Let me just grab it. I don't want to jostle everything. Ooh, okay. Got the box off. First thing we have is some manual stuff. This thing to put in your SIM card. Always need that. I've been using my earring back. Oh, it comes with a case. That rocks. Tells you where things go. Some other information that I do not know. It's all in Chinese. Oh my gosh, it comes with a dongle. This is a good deal already. It comes with a dongle. These are the things you need for a headphone jack. You have to buy these separately in the United States, and that's a scam. And I can't believe it comes with a case. That rocks. It's just a very simple, clear case, but I've never had a phone come with a case. So already this is a wonderful purchase. I'm happy about it. Here's the phone itself all wrapped up. I don't know what any of this means. So we got this phone wrapped, and it has, I guess this is to show that it's official. But let's unwrap it. I kind of want to leave this on. It makes it seem like it's like leaving the sticker on your hat. But should I leave it? I'm going to take it off. Yeah, let's remove that. I'm going to stick it right here so I still have it. And let's turn on the phone. I hope it's charged at least a little bit. Okay, while that boots up, I actually got some goodies when I went to the store. Apparently he was supposed to give it to me when I bought it, but he did not. So it has this note on it in Chinese. I do not understand what it says, but I think it says something like, I forgot to give this girl her stuff. She's going to pick it up. So let's see what's in here. He said one is a cup, a gift from me home. And the phone, if you didn't notice, it didn't have a charger in there. So it actually comes, he gave me the charger on the side. So I'll open that right now, so we can just see what kind of charger it is. Just seems, oh, it's making noise. I don't know what that means. I'm gonna open the charger for us really quickly so we can see that. Probably should have opened it first because it's not as exciting, but that's okay. Oh my gosh, this is so hard. The angle I'm opening it from is not the best. Okay, there we go. Okay, just your standard. We have our cord. Oh, it has kind of a red thing in it. I don't know if you can see that. Let's see. I don't want to take it out of there, but I'm sure you can see. Yeah, red. And then we have our wall thing. I was actually thinking about getting a charger so I can keep it somewhere. Oh, this is weird. It doesn't have the holes in it like I'm used to. And let's go ahead and do this. I'll just do it on this camera. Okay, I have no clue what's in here. He said something about a water cup, so I'm thinking it's a... Aw, oh my god, the way that opened up was so nice. Let me do it again so that you can actually see. Because no, that was really nice and it deserved to be seen. I hope it's in focus. And isn't that super cute? So it's a Xiaomi cup. It is a water cup. It's like actually a measuring cup. Thanks Xiaomi. Not sponsored, but if they want to go ahead and give me some other phones, I would be happy to have them. Okay, anyway, let's get this turned on. Oh, it's like dead. Of course it is. Let me plug in my charger. Okay, the phone is dead, which is unfortunate. It's trying its best right now, so. I wasn't filming, but now we're back. So what language do I want? English. I definitely want English because I speak only English. My Wi-Fi, I'm not going to show you my password, even though who cares? You're not coming to my house anytime soon. Okay, connect. Routine. Gotta leave to go back to work. You know I'm not gonna read that, but I'm gonna agree. You should read it, but I don't. Home screen service. Whatever. Okay. There is no SIM card currently. Let's skip that for now. Ooh, that's cool, but we'll skip that for now. Skip. I don't even know how to read that. Okay. So yeah, here's the camera. It's pretty good. I'm happy with it. Photo, video. Looks like it's gonna be good. I like those sounds. What? But yeah, that's it. My phone is unboxed. Now I gotta put all the stuff in it. That was the phone. So now I got two phones. I'm gonna be one of those. We can play that song. I got two phones, and now I can be able to do whatever I want, like the U.S. stuff that I want to do, and I don't have to worry about switching SIM cards. I don't have to worry about any of that stuff. So, thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.